only foreigner on the bus. So we have to wait in the bus till 5 a.m. There are so many soldiers here. I walked over to the Leh bus terminal to inquire about a bus from Leh to Srinagar. This one is Jammu and Kashmir State Road Transport Corporation counter. There's another one down the road that has different destinations, but this one, number 16, is Leh to Srinagar, 434 kilometers, 2 p.m. every day. It's like 980 rupee. I already confirmed that there's a bus going every day at 2 p.m. So that's good. It's a long bus ride. I believe it rides around 7 a.m. next day. I am at Ladakh Himalayan Kitchen. This has been one of my favorite restaurants in Leh. This will be the last meal I have before I leave Leh. This is a vegetable manchow soup for 80 rupee. These are veggie egg rolls and they are 90 rupee each. They are very good. This is egg fried rice and it's 170 rupee. Very good. I just arrived at the Leh bus terminal. It took me about 20 minutes to walk here from Leh market. It's not a bad walk. It's mostly downhill. Pretty easy. I found the bus that goes to Srinagar and make sure it's the right bus. We should depart at 2 p.m. Okay, I found the bus. I just put my luggage in the back of the bus. This small bus will take me to Srinagar. The arrival time should be between 7 and 7:30, and the bus is departing at 2 p.m. It's a long bus ride, and the driver should stop for dinner and some breaks along the way. I am on a bus to Srinagar, and I am the only foreigner on this bus. It's 4:20 p.m. It's been 2 hours and 20 minutes since we departed Leh. The bus stopped briefly for a toilet and snack break. We're in the village of Khalsi, Khalsi. We're still in Ladakh region. It's a pretty small village, but has plenty of restaurants and stores, so it's not too small. Let's see what the ladies are selling here. Hello, hello. Almond, okay. Cashew. Yeah.
Apple.
Okay, thank you. The bus driver stopped the bus because somebody wanted to throw up. Oh, such a beautiful scenery. So beautiful. We stopped briefly to submit my passport for check. I'm the only foreigner on the bus, and the bus driver stopped twice already to submit my passport to the authorities to check. I am in the town of
56.
Kargil, and these are 70 rupees.
56.
Check this out.
56. Yeah.
They have Korean ramen
Yeah, Korean.
in a very remote
Two
village.
3x.
Incredible view coming up. It's 8:16 p.m. Just arrived in Kargil, which is a pretty big city in the Kashmir region, which borders Pakistan. We're here to have a break and dinner before we continue on to Srinagar. It's 8:53. The restaurant we stopped for dinner didn't have enough food for all of us, so the driver took us out of the city of Kargil. So we're at some roadside restaurant, Mishra Vaishno Punjabi Dhaba, Punjabi restaurant. We are on the outskirts of Kargil, and this place is packed with all these cars and tourists traveling the area. Very busy restaurant with a lot of customers. Hey, this is dal and rice. It's delicious. Let's see how good it is. This dal with rice is it's okay. It's not the best one I've ever had, but the experience is awesome. I'm sitting here with a whole bunch of Indians, and I'm the only foreigner in this entire establishment. It's 11:28. The bus had to stop because the road is blocked, probably by the military. There's so many cars here, vehicles here, all stopped. It's 11:45 p.m. I just learned that the military is blocking the road to Srinagar until 5 a.m. So we have to wait in the bus till 5 a.m., which is 5 hours and 15 minutes from now. What an experience. Good morning, it's 5:08 in the morning. The gate is still closed. Look at all these cars, trucks and buses waiting to cross into the other side. So many vehicles. Oh, so beautiful. It's 5:23 a.m. The gate opened and all these cars are trying to rush through the gate. It's a mad rush. Cars and trucks and buses trying to get through the gate. Finally come through the gate, and we've been sitting here for what, 6 hours. Take a quick toilet break. Oh, there's so many cars here. So many cars. It's 8:24. The bus driver stopped for breakfast. We're 35 kilometers away from Srinagar. The weather has improved significantly. This weather is very pleasant, but being in Kashmir, being a sensitive area, there are so many soldiers here stationed. Like you can see one soldier there, but I saw soldiers along the road. Every few hundred meters I'm seeing a soldier, you know, patrolling the area. This is a very sensitive area. So people can get breakfast here or chai, whatever. Okay, I got puri, P-U-R-I, this is 15 rupee, and I also got chai for 15 rupee. I don't know what this tastes like, but everybody was getting these, so I got the same thing. It's 9:57, just arrived in Srinagar bus terminal. It took 20 hours to get here since Srinagar from Leh. 5.5 hours were spent at the mountain pass entrance, where we had to sleep until the military or police opened the gate for us to cross, because it was too dangerous for buses and cars to travel on that road middle of the night, and it looked pretty dangerous during the day, so at night definitely more dangerous. But right now I need to find a bus schedule from Srinagar to Jammu for 3 days from now, and then I'll find the lodging in Srinagar for 3 nights. This is what the bus station looks like. Alright, I am walking to John Friend's guest house. I don't have a reservation. I hope they have a room for me. We'll see. Oh, this is really nice. Very nice. Little away from all the noise and hassle. I am at John Friend's guest house. Luckily they had a private room for me. I asked for 3 nights The owner was asking 3,000, but negotiated down to 2,600 rupee for 3 nights, which is a pretty good deal. It's very nice. It looks a little busy, but it's a very nice place. There's a sitting area here, and they are offering me complimentary Kashmiri tea. Never had a Kashmiri tea, so excited to try something different. And these are real grape wines. Real grape. It's a really cool place to just sit here and just chill out. On a hot day like today. This is Kashmiri tea that the guest house owner offered me for free. It's what can I say? It has cardamom. I think also has a cinnamon and a little bit of sugar. So it's quite good actually. It's hot, obviously. It's a hot tea, but it's very good, very good. First time in Kashmir region, first time drinking Kashmiri tea. Everything's good. The bus ride was 20 hours, but it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad. Some good people on the bus. The driver was nice. People were very nice on the bus. I was the only foreigner on the bus, but very good trip. Memorable trip for sure. This guest house is very nice too. Hey, this is the backside of John Friend's guest house. This is where I'm staying. Very nice garden here. Very nice garden. You can see. Very pleasant place to stay. I am at Deepak's restaurant, and I ordered fish curry for 250 rupee. This is fish curry. Haven't had the fish curry before, so I want to give it a try. And this is zira rice for 140 rupees. I don't know what this fish is, but it's my first time trying fish curry. Okay, let me see what it tastes like. Curry tastes like curry. Let me see about fish. This is a boneless fish fillet. I don't know what fish this is. It's pretty good. It's my first fish in India.